Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Opening my mind. I allow myself to see beyond my beliefs and ideas. Number 37, music for the soul. Let the rhythm sway you. What melodies make your soul sing? Tune in, absorb it. Music lifts your mood and reduces anxiety. Let the rhythm sway you. Number 36. Through meditation, I see clearly beyond the veils of illusion. The answers lie in the moment. Stay awake, be present, and stay faithful to your observations and feelings. I am becoming a better person every day. All right, let's see what we have for quotes today. Don't let mixed signals fool you. Indecision is a decision. Release whatever or whoever is causing you stress, heartache, unhappiness, uncertainty, or pain. It's time to shift. Fix the broken child in you so you don't break the child. The child comes from you. The cost of not following your heart is spending the rest of your life wishing you had. Your mind is infinite. It is your doubts that are limiting. And the last one today. Stop giving if you're going to be resentful about it later. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.